In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable AI, Omni and Field Agents. By the end, you'll know how to build apps and analyze data with Omni, and how to automate record-by-record tasks using Field Agents, all directly inside your bases. Let's start with Omni, your chat-based AI assistant. You can open it anytime by clicking the Omni icon in the top left of any base. Think of Omni as a partner that can both build and analyze. To build, type a clear request like, build a project tracker for a marketing team. Omni will automatically create the tables, fields, and views you need. If you have specific requirements, say so in your prompt. Mention field names, statuses, or views you want. After Omni generates your setup, take a moment to scan the tables and tweak anything that needs to match your workflow. Omni also helps you analyze existing data. Ask targeted questions such as, summarize the sentiment of customer feedback in this table. For best results, specify the table or fields you want analyzed, like a feedback text field or a rating column. If your data lives across multiple views, reference the one you're working with so Omni can stay focused. You can follow up with clarifying questions to refine the summary or pull out key themes. Now let's move to Field Agents, automated AI fields that work record by record right inside your table. To add an agent, click the plus button in a table to create a new field, then choose a preset from the Field Agents section. You'll see options like Summarize, Translate, or Categorize. Pick the one that fits your workflow. Next, write instructions in the field editor. Explain exactly what you want the agent to do. Use curly braces to insert specific fields as context. For example, reference flash feedback or hot notes, so the agent knows which content to process. Clear, concise instructions make a big difference in accuracy, so describe tone, length, or output format if that matters. If you want the agent to keep your data up to date, toggle Run automatically in the field settings. With this on, the AI will update its output whenever your data changes. It's a good idea to test a few records first to confirm the results, then enable automation for the whole table. Finally, if you're working with files, use the Analyze Attachment agent. It can extract data or summarize PDFs and images stored in an attachment field. Make sure your files are in the attachment column, then let the agent pull key details or produce a summary you can filter, sort, or report on. That's it. Use Omni to build and explore, and Field Agents to automate the busy work, so your base can stay smart and always up to date.